back once again, and this time I'm showing you the fully Kel-Tec 200 Gen 2 model upgrades that I've done to it. So, let me jump right into it. Excuse me, coughing. I don't know. I'm still getting over that thing that was going around that everybody was getting. But so I kind of got a cough still. So, all right. So first of all, this is clear. So I'm gonna demonstrate what I did. First, let me take this off first. All right. So I put a grip around here. This is the charging handle in the rear. So I put this rubber grip on here, which makes it easier to pull back and close. So with that being on there, it don't pinch my fingers anymore. I noticed that when I shot it at the range, this was pinching my fingers. So with this grip being on here, this rubber grip, this is smooth. And it's kind of the shape of it. Give it a little bit of the thickness to it. I love that. So you notice the pop-up sights. Well, they're not up. So what I did was, hold on. So what I did was, I took this apart and I cut these down. I didn't like the fact that these was always staying up. So now I can manually pop them up when I need them to be up. Mostly if I was to take this optics off and then want to run on optics on here, I can. But I have the option to let it back down now. Now, I know they sell a kit, but I'm not paying no fucking $40 for a kit that I can just do myself that took me 3 minutes to do. So, only difference is the kit got a lever to move this up and down. But you know what? I'm like, I glued a little thing up here. So, just put it down like that. You good. You ain't got to shut it all the way. Just enough, you know, where it's out the way. And you can pop it up where it needs to be or let it back down. So, I did a short video on this. Now, I know, since this is the Gen 2 model, the Gen 3 model, when you let it back, it rotates. Like this whole thing rotates to the side and you can still have optics. So I had to make do with that. So I got a Picatinny mount here. So I can just put my optics there and then still be able to close it. I did a short on that. This might help somebody out with an idea, but if it works, it works. When you want to let it back down, you just make sure you have a detachable Picatinny mount for the optics like this. You got that? You're good to go. You just slap it down. And also, you want to make sure you mark where you got it sighted in at. See, right here is, I know I need to put it above here for me to be sighted in correctly. So, if you're going to do this, make sure you sight in where you want your optics to be at with this profile. Similar to this. If I put it back here, it's going to be off. If I put it above it, it's going to be right. So I know if it's above this, it's dead on. Next, I put extended mag angle grip on here where it can, you know, house another magazine like that. This was off Amazon. I think it was like $30 or something. Just go right on the Picatinny and it fits profile just like this. So again, I know ballpoint going in the range soon. I like to preload my magazine before I get in there, so that's why that's ballpoints in there. So yeah, let's see what else I do to it. Oh, I put a compensator on here. I mean, this don't really have much recoil, but I didn't like that screw-on crap that they had on here, so I wanted to dress it up a little bit. I mean, it might reduce recoil. Not really that this thing don't really kick that much. So but it looks stylish. I like it. And also I put butt stock on here because I noticed not that this have any kick on here at all. Like, it's manageable recoil. But I noticed what was happening is when I was shooting this thing, it was going like this and it was chafing my my shirt because it was hard plastic under this. But with this cushion being here, this shouldn't chase my shirt through my clothes anymore. So that being like that, with this rubber pad on there, I shouldn't be feeling plastic hitting me. Like I said, the recoil on this is nothing, but it's the chafing. You know, and that's another reason why I like going to the range, because when you go there, you test things out and find out what works and what don't works. A lot of people slap things on guns and oh, this look cool. I'm gonna slap this on. This look bad. No, if I do it, it's testing things. Like, I noticed, like I said, this needed something on there because this was chafing me when I was shooting it. This, I wanted the option to pop up and pop down. This was sighting in, and I love how this is set up right here because, you know, you can really get in there and push it into you. So a lot of shooters know you don't really just pull back. You pull and push at the same time. You know, like that way you get better accuracy and grip. So it's kind of like pushing and pulling at the same time. And this what's make this works well with this profile, what I'm doing. So so far that's everything I've done with it. Oh, I'm crooked. So far that's everything I've done with it. So this is my finished Kel-Tec upgrades. Kel-Tec 2000 upgrades that I've done to it. So if y'all like that, let me know. Let me know what y'all think. Would y'all mess with a Kel-Tec, or would y'all say nah? I just like it because it's a book bag gun for me. I love book bag guns. So if you like that, let me know what y'all think. I'm officially done with upgrading that for now. So let me know what y'all think.